Little quick shop update here. I finally have moved all of my stuff from the old workshop. It's still in boxes in disarray, and I still haven't finished all the wiring on this wall. So what I've decided is I'm gonna do it wall by wall. So I'm gonna try to finish this wall and this wall, get some tables built out. That way, then I can take everything off of this wall and put it on the tables and things like that. So just have a ways to go. It is cold here in Georgia, hence the winter hat. Tonight's project is insulating and then putting up some wood walls, cover the insulation. I should mention I've never done insulation before, so I think I'm doing this right. The stakes are really low because I don't expect it to be perfectly insulated. It's a shop. Maybe I'm doing it wrong. I will learn on this first wall, and then I'm sure someone will tell me how to do it better. I'm pretty pleased with how the window turned out. Just gotta continue around. Got a long way to go. Oh, look at that. Okay, I'll pick it up again tomorrow. It's a new day. Started working a little bit more on the walls. I've got this one cut out to go on the window here. Another one. And got the shop a little bit more organized. A little bit. And then I worked on some camera holders. I got this guy here. All right. Yeah, that's nice. I can move it around. This Loc-line stuff. Got this idea from Adam Savage. Works really well. And I can just move it to the next rafter above. Pretty cool. Got my GoPro over here. That's fun. Alright, so I have finished putting walls and outlets on this one corner. Everything looks pretty messy on that side, but don't pay any attention to the man behind the curtain. So now I want to build a workbench along this wall. I'm going to do it at the height of the window, so it just kind of feels a little bit more seamless. 36 inches. Which is about counter height, so that should be fine. I think it'll look good. Here we go. Got kind of the rough frame laid out on the floor here. Before I start assembling, I wanted to show you kind of how I work this out. So I'm using a program called Shaper 3D on my iPad, which is, you know, not necessary, but it's super helpful for me to like visually work out the dimensions and kind of how it'll be spaced, and just kind of, and you know, easy to figure out what my cuts need to be. I used SketchUp for a long time until I started using an iPad with an Apple Pencil, and then I was hooked on this. Say this board right here, I can just tap on that spline and you can see it's 62 3/4. So easy to know kind of what your dimensions need to be when you start doing your cuts. It's really not necessary for woodworking. It's a really fun tool to use if you have one. All right, this is awesome. One thing is I built it backwards. I will own up to my mistake. I was gonna use some of the nicer boards on the front, but what are you gonna do? Yeah, this is really exciting. Isn't it glorious? Work table. No more working on my knees in the driveway. This is awesome. Place for my 3D printer, for my electronic stuff. Like, this is awesome. I can start to like build this out. Still got to do the shelf underneath, and then I can start moving all of that junk. I can start moving all of that junk out of that corner and putting it in this corner, and I'm gonna build one more table just like it over there for welding and for my lathe. Good gracious, this is fun. I designed it specifically so that it could fit Walmart little boxes underneath for storage, and it works perfectly. It's awesome. I think I love this thing. Yeah. Yep, I do. Just think about all the cool stuff I'm gonna make on this table. Okay, now I'm being weird. Got some walls put up. I got my workbench built. My TV hung. Now I can watch The Office while I work out here. It'll be good. It'll be good. Feeling very productive. And I'm really excited to start making some more things in here. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you don't mind. That'd be really awesome. And I'll see you on the next one.